Alright all, welcome back to my channel. This is Dayu up in the South Wales Valleys, and today we're going to take a look at Hachette's release of Build the Titanic Stage 4. So without further ado, let's take this stage on. Okay, so these are the parts we get in stage 4. We are extending on the hull, the port side of the hull. So let's open up the magazine. Go straight to the build. And what we need to do first of all, we need to take the hull from the first two sessions, whatever you want to, for the first two stages, and we want to take we want to take 4A, which is this piece here, and we're going to line that up. Okay, so we're going to line that up. Those two holes there. Wouldn't be that way, would it? Just to make sure, just check. No, it can only go one way. You can't go wrong with that. Not even I can. Turn him over, and then that's going to be held in place with 2 AM screws. That's alpha micro screws. So let's get 2 of those brothers out. Only 2 we want, so we didn't need that many. So 1, and that will be in these 2 holes here. So we get the one in, and the second one in, because we're going into metal. I'm going to use the ratchet. That's that one. Much easier. That's that one. Okay, so there we are. Now we need to take 4B, which is the black section, and again that can only go in one way, so that goes there like so. We flip him over, and that will go in with it another 2 AM screws. So 4 fell out, and they must have been thinking ahead more than me. This one, and the second one. That one. We got something with a little bit more oomph in it. That's him. My fingers and my wrists not the best, and there are times where I've just got to use an electric screwdriver, and that's that. Here we are. I'll put that for a sec. Okay, so now we turn the page over. Now we've got this section now, which is 4C, C for Charlie, and that's going to go there we are. So that's going to go that way around, so the curve follows the curve down the bottom, and that's going to be held in place with 4 more AM screws. So let's just get the rest of these brothers out. I'll put them in slightly with the screwdriver that they give me. It means it's got a good magnetism on it, but I'm going to fix him down in with the electric screwdriver. It is actually a godsend, especially for people who's doing these builds and they might have arthritis or something. That's not what I suffer with, it's completely different, but it's still a godsend. I know some people use oil, but the screws are usually iron. And we know that iron can degrade over time. I don't see the point of using oil or anything like that. That's that one. Okay, and the last step now is the Titanic sign. If you give me a sec. Okay, here's the Titanic sign from what we had in issue 1, wasn't it? I think it was. Right, and that's now, okay, so we got 2 awls by here, and these 2, and we got 2 pins on the back of the sign, and we're just going to push fit that into the awls like so. And to be honest with you, I might put a daub of glue on the back, but because I don't trust that. You know, it's a possibility that it could fall out, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to put some glue on the back like so, and on that one. Sometimes, well, quite often push fit connections just don't stay in. Anyway, look at that. Oh, there's the Titanic. And do you know what? I'm going to measure this up against the Bismarck now, because wow, she's slightly bigger than a Bismarck, only slightly, but that completes the stage. There we are, that completes it. And I went into the other room and I just put this up against the Bismarck, the front port side, and the Bismarck comes up to about there, you know, from there to about there-ish. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to get this one going. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta wait now for a couple of weeks for 5 and 6 to come back. So until next time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay happy.